Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're seeing the error DNS Server Not Responding, websites won't load, and your internet suddenly feels broken, don't worry. In this video, I'll explain what DNS is, why this error happens, and how to fix it quickly, even if you're not tech savvy. Let's get started. DNS stands for Domain Name System. Think of DNS as the phone book of the internet. When you type a website name, like google.com, DNS translates it into a numerical IP address so your device knows where to connect. If DNS stops responding, your internet may be connected, but websites won't open. Here are the most common causes: temporary router or modem glitches, ISP DNS server outages, corrupt DNS cache on your device, incorrect network or DNS settings, firewall, antivirus, or malware interference. The good news? Most of these are easy to fix at home. First, power cycle your router. Unplug it completely, wait 30 seconds, plug it back in, and wait for all lights to stabilize. This alone fixes many DNS errors. If the problem continues, flush your DNS cache. On Windows, open Command Prompt as administrator. Type ipconfig flushdins, press Enter. On Mac, open Terminal, type sudo kill all, hup mdns responder. This clears corrupted DNS entries. Your ISP's DNS might be down. Switch to a faster public DNS. Use these settings: Google DNS 8.8, 8.8, 8.8.4.4, or Cloudflare DNS 1.1.1.1, 1.0.2.1. Go to your network settings, replace the DNS values, save, and reconnect. Sometimes security software blocks DNS traffic. Temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus, then test your connection. If DNS works, adjust the settings instead of keeping protection off. Contact your internet service provider. If multiple devices are affected, DNS fails for hours or days, none of the fixes work. There may be a regional DNS outage. Keep your router firmware updated. Use reliable DNS providers. Run regular malware scans. Restart your router once a week. These steps prevent future DNS issues. That's it. Your DNS server not responding issue should now be fixed. For more detailed guides, tech fixes, and real-world solutions, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.